Hi everyone, so I'm back to share this project with you. This is a mixture of Tim Holtz, ARTYmaze, Tracie Fox, and I don't know if there's anyone else, but I'll mention it as I go through. So I've done a little quick video on Instagram showing this last week, and I hadn't actually filled all the pockets with tags and things like that, or fully decorated it. So it's a it's like a folio, a trifold flip out envelope thingy. Don't know what you call it. Anyway, and then I made a little notebook. It's just a notebook, it's not a journal. Well, it is a journal, you can write in it, it's a journal, isn't it? I'll show you that in a second. These will both be for sale as one item on my shop, which you can find a link for that below. So this is, like I said, it's Tim Holtz paper dolls, it's ARTYmaze's random instant photo portraits, it's Tracie Fox's teal grungy journal kit. I've used things from ARTYmaze and Tracie Fox throughout as well. I'll just mention it all as I go through. The little video that I done on Instagram, I hadn't actually fully decorated it as such and filled it. It was just like kind of the bare bones of it. So it all flips out like so, like that, like that, like that. Okay, right, so this is all made from envelopes. I have got videos, I think there's actually a playlist on how to do similar to this. You can just adjust adding the envelopes to how you want them. I think it's a trifold envelope flip flap thing that I called it. So here it's this is the Tracie Fox teal grungy kit. Absolutely love that. Actually forgot I had it. This is from ARTYmaze. I'm not sure, because a lot of these little embellishments already had printed out and cut out, so it could be from ARTYmaze's oddment kits or her number ticket kits or something like that. Same here, the oddment kits. These are tickets from ARTYmaze. This background paper is a freebie from ARTYmaze, and the stamp here, I think it's from one of ARTYmaze's oddment kits, and this is obviously a Tim Holtz paper doll. I've nearly used all the male ones, so this is quite a masculine project. There isn't any females or butterflies in this. Here, these tags are from the Old Design Shop on Etsy, and this is just from ARTYmaze's, like the little portraits that she's got. They're adorable. And then this is a Field Notes layered tag from Tracie Fox, and that just goes in there. And then that flips out, and then I just, all the envelopes that you've got with the windows, I they come through in bills or reply letters. Just cut a piece to size, covered it in the paper, added a little, printed out some of Tsunami Rose's postcards, but I done them I think it was 6 to a page, so they come out really tiny because I was obviously looking for small ephemera. And this is ARTYmaze and Tim Holtz paper doll. Inside there we've got a tag which has got a bit of ARTYmaze paper here, Tracie Fox teal grungy kit, and this is from ARTYmaze. I think this is from the number ticket kit, because you get 2 or 3 sheets of like full pages with numbers and stuff on, so use that. And then that's Tracie Fox there, the teal grungy kit. And here again is an envelope that I've decorated, window envelope, just popped pieces on. This little bit running behind there, that is from Bohemian Crafting. That's from her snippet ephemera little kit that she has on her Etsy. Label, I think that's ARTYmaze. The ticket is ARTYmaze, that is ARTYmaze, and obviously Tim Holtz. And then here we've just got a journal card, and this is from ARTYmaze's portrait kit. I think she done that to kind of go alongside the Vintage Days kit. This is from ARTYmaze. I don't know where that's from. The little postcards, the tickets again, ARTYmaze. And then we've got Tracie Fox, well, that's Tracie Fox paper there, and a little bit of the number paper from ARTYmaze. And then obviously in the background you can see Tracie Fox's teal grungy kit. That goes in there. Sorry about the motorbike, just zooming up the street. So then that flips out. These actually do take a long time to do. You know, just I could probably do a journal quicker than it does me making one of these. Field Notes layered tag from Tracie Fox. This is the teal grungy kit, and with the ARTYmaze's little portrait kits, the little instant photo portraits, they come in various sizes, as you can see. So I printed, I think these were the smallest size, but I shrunk them down even just a little bit more so that I could, or it was 2 to a sheet, because I wanted to make like that like photo booth strip type thing. And then I've got an inventory tag from the old design shop, and another one. I think that is a boy. I think it's a boy. I think it's like with a hat. Yeah, definitely a little boy. He's got like a little bit of a cheeky kind of grumpy look about him, and that goes in there. Then here we've got ARTYmaze's paper there, a label there from ARTYmaze. Don't know where that came from. That could possibly be ARTYmaze or Bohemian Crafting. This is ARTYmaze, little postcard tucked in there. Tim Holtz paper doll, Tracie Fox teal excuse me, teal grungy paper, and a little label there. Field Notes layered tags, and then this is from ARTYmaze's random coloured tags, I think they're called. Can't remember what they're called. Then that flips out. Let's move the up a little bit. Then here I've just used one of ARTYmaze's instant photo portraits, Tracie Fox paper, little label there from ARTYmaze. I believe that's ARTYmaze. There's a little scrap piece running across there. Excuse me. Field Notes layered tags from Tracie Fox. This is from ARTYmaze, and this is Field Notes layered tags, ticket from ARTYmaze, and one of the little instant photo portraits from ARTYmaze. Then here, let's fold that in a little bit. We've got another flip, and here we've got a side tuck label from ARTYmaze. That's ARTYmaze, so is that. Little boy with the dog, which is Tim Holtz. I think that might be Bohemian Crafting, because like I said, a lot of the little elements I do have, they're just printed out and in tubs and boxes and folders. I've got so much of them. Field Notes layered tags, ARTYmaze from that kit. I'm trying to see if I've still got it up on my screen somewhere. No, I don't. Then here we've got another window pocket, Tim Holtz paper doll, ticket from ARTYmaze. I believe that's ARTYmaze, and that is ARTYmaze. Then I've just made another tag using some of Tracie's paper here and ARTYmaze there. That's the background of that is ARTYmaze. That's a freebie ticket and the instant photo portrait. He's quite a handsome looking fella. Okay, so that goes in there. Then that closes, and we have here a corner tuck, little like number plate there, ticket from ARTYmaze. That's ARTYmaze. I think that is ARTYmaze as well. The little boy is sitting on the ticket. I like them ones. I think, is there another one somewhere? Yeah, like he looks like he's sitting on that. He's leaning up against a little piece of paper that I'd put there. I don't know if you can see that. Am I in frame? Yes, I am. And he's sitting on that, the label, the ticket, sorry. Field Notes layered tag, so is that. So you've got 2 of them in there. And I did show you that piece. And then on here, again, I just kind of done the, like the photo strip, but I done it bigger on here. And Tracie's paper here, a little bit of ARTYmaze in the background, little inventory tag with this little chap on there, and Field Notes layered tag. So that is the flip flappy thing. The folio, I'm calling it folio. Is it folio? Yeah, flip flap. It's not trifold because obviously it opens up more than, but it did start off as 3 pieces and then obviously I added onto it. So yeah, trifold. We'll call it a trifold. Then I just used an envelope, and did I cut that open? No, I backed 2 envelopes together. Then I backed it with this paper. This is from the ARTYmaze's number ticket kits where you get the two or three pages of different like shades of this kind of design. And then here we've got Tracie Fox, got a window piece here, Tim Holtz paper doll, some tickets here, they're from ARTYmaze, so is that. Inside there we have got just a little tag which I've decorated with a faux stamp from ARTYmaze, and then one of these little instant photo portraits, and you can see the paper behind there, and that goes in there. And then inside it's just got pockets, it's got the other shade of that paper, and pockets have just been stitched, and I've just tucked in a load of tags and some like what do you call them things, cabinet cards. They're from ARTYmaze's portrait kit, and a guest check tag. This is Tracie Fox field notes layered tags. This is ARTYmaze, the layaway tag, and what is there, 20 pages I think, front and back, just coffee dyed simples. You could fully decorate that and turn it into, you know, what you want it to be. Another pocket here, another tag from Tracie Fox, a cabinet card from ARTYmaze, that's ARTYmaze, Tracie Fox, and ARTYmaze again there. So that's that. So that is what I made with the Tim Holtz, the Tracie Fox, and the Tracie Fox ARTYmaze. Tim Holtz, that's what I said, wasn't it? I'm getting tired. Yeah, so like I said, this will be listed on my shop as like a one item thing. It's not getting sold separately, so it's together as a package. You can find the link for that below. You can check out all the kits that I've mentioned. I've got links to Tracie Fox below, ARTYmaze, the old design shop. You can find all that below. So if you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.